Did you guys hear about the $229 million payout that the SEC provided to one whistleblower for helping them aid in the investigation and to ultimately collect fines from or sanctions from an entity that had violated securities laws? 220 million given to one person, and that is representing usually 10 to 30% of what the SEC collects from these companies that are found out to be in violation of them. Now, hearing those numbers, you understand, oh, that's why the SEC doesn't really want to give out any clear proactive regulation for any cryptocurrency project. They love just to do this retroactively and collect the fines in return. Let it also be noted that these funds are not returned to those who were wronged by these companies. Instead, the SEC just wants to take all their money and recycle it in their own system. Also, it has not been disclosed if this particular whistleblower was having to do with anything crypto related. But also another nugget of news that came out about the SEC, speaking of the SEC, their court case with Ripple has been going on for years. And Ripple just came out to say that that court cases will cost them about $200 million so far just to defend themselves against the SEC. It's still yet to be seen the outcome of that court case, but it might very well set some precedents for in the future for any cryptocurrencies that are similar to XRP or in a similar situation. Hearing news back and forth about, oh, this is good for XRP or, oh, this is good for the SEC. So we're going to have to wait and see. Here's another interesting factoid that's come out in the news about a country, Liechtenstein. They're taking a page out of Switzerland and trying to be crypto friendly. They definitely have an interest in getting some Bitcoin on their hands. And in fact, they're saying we would prefer if you were to pay the government there in the form of Bitcoin. They're open to Bitcoin payments for government payments. So that's definitely an improvement, kind of opposite of what's happening now in Argentina. They're clamping much more down on cryptocurrencies. We're seeing other countries around the world trying to find more energy efficient ways or ways of utilizing their natural renewable resources to facilitate cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining. Even though we're seeing the US clamp down, China clamp down, we still have El Salvador, and if they're ever going to do that volcano mining idea in other countries as well. Some countries have had it so good for so long, they can afford to pass up opportunities. And here's where the free market comes in, is that there's lots of countries out there that would love to take advantage of this opportunity to facilitate this new economy and to propagate its future. So money goes where it's treated best, and cryptocurrency is the same. The development of that, the facilities that support decentralized networks are going to go where they're treated best. And most importantly, margins are so important, especially for Bitcoin mining. If they can find better margins elsewhere, they're going to go there in droves. So anyway, keep you guys updated on that as well. If you guys enjoyed these updates, hit like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.